Welcome to Siena at Lorenzo Gardenville, a charming single-detached home offering you the perfect blend of comfort and sophistication in the heart of Torno de Polog City. Let me paint you a picture of your future home. Imagine waking up in one of the three cozy bedrooms, filled with natural light and ample space for your family. Start your day in one of the two modern and well-appointed bathrooms, designed to make you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Step into the inviting kitchen where you have not just one but two culinary spaces to unleash your inner chef and prepare your delicious meals for your loved ones. Enjoy your morning coffee or relax in the evening on the serene terrace, perfect for quiet moments for entertaining guests. Worried about parking? Well, this home comes with its own carport, providing convenience and security for your vehicle. And the best part? You can move into this dream home through our hassle-free in-house financing payment plan. So, with a down payment of only 20%, affordable monthly installment on flexible terms ranging from 1 year to 20 years, owning your dream home has never been achievable. Picture yourself living in this serene and secure community, surrounded by modern amenities in a vibrant neighborhood. Seize this opportunity to invest in your future and secure a place you can truly call your own. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of paradise Siena in Lorenzo Gardenville. Contact us today to schedule a viewing or to learn more about our exclusive offers. Your dream home awaits you at Siena.